Hi guys, Titus Jones here with MarineMax Fort Walton Beach. Today I'm gonna talk about this 230 cruiser we just got in. It has beautiful sage green on it and also a black accent color. We'll jump up on top and show you some more. This particular model is the single helm dual lounger model. It has a Simrad up here at the helm. All your toggle switches is within arm reach here. Wet sound stereo system. Excellent amount of room at the bow. Back here where all the action happens at the back of the boat. So there's some very comfy seats on this Harris cruiser here. This actually bumps forward and it also lays completely down to make a full bed. You also have an insulated cooler back here where you can keep soft drinks in, extra ice. Plethora of storage under the seats. This boat comes equipped with a stainless steel ski tow bar for all your water sport needs. Gonna pull you with a 150 Mercury outboard engine. Up here on a very comfortable Harris cruiser bow, as you can see, I have plenty of room, ample amount of space to stretch my legs. You have USB, USB-C charging on port and starboard side of the boat, and also some room down here to keep your electronics in and keep you from getting wet. If you want to come see this boat in person, my name is Titus Jones. I'll be glad to show it to you right here at Fort Walton Beach MarineMax.